Shwashuran suhridaschaiv, senayorubhayorapi, tan samikshya sa kaunteya, sarvan bandhunavasthitan, kripya parayavishto, vishidan bravit. This sloka marks a turning point in Arjuna's journey. As he surveys the battlefield, he sees not just soldiers, but beloved family and friends among the enemy lines. His warrior spirit is eclipsed by a wave of compassion and moral conflict. The realization that he must fight against those he holds dear causes him to question the very essence of his duty. This emotional breakdown is a deeply human moment, showing how even the strongest resolve can falter when confronted with ethical dilemmas. This pivotal moment sets the stage for the Bhagavad Gita's teachings, as Krishna guides Arjuna from despair toward clarity, transforming his sorrow into spiritual wisdom. This verse belongs to the opening chapter, Arjuna Vishada Yoga. It portrays Arjuna's deep internal conflict as he struggles to reconcile his duty as a warrior with his emotional attachments. This sloka captures a universal human dilemma: the tension between fulfilling our responsibilities and staying true to our personal bonds. It also introduces a key theme of the Gita: the pursuit of one's dharma, or duty, even in the face of immense hardship. This moment of vulnerability becomes the foundation for Krishna's teachings, as Arjuna embarks on a spiritual journey from confusion to enlightenment. This verse carries profound historical and spiritual significance. The Bhagavad Gita, composed by sage Vyasa, is not just a scripture, but a timeless guide for navigating life's challenges. Kurukshetra symbolizes the eternal conflict between righteousness and unrighteousness. Arjuna's inner turmoil reflects the universal human struggle with moral decisions, resonating across cultures and eras. The teachings of the Gita have inspired countless individuals, from Mahatma Gandhi's principles of nonviolence to Einstein's reflections on the universe. This verse is more than a battlefield scene. It is a gateway to understanding the eternal truths of life. This sloka offers a powerful lesson for modern life. It teaches us to pause and reflect when faced with difficult decisions. Arjuna's story reminds us to balance emotional attachments with our duties and higher goals. In personal relationships, it encourages compassion without losing sight of our principles. In professional settings, it advises us to act with integrity and clarity, even when the path is challenging. Above all, it teaches the importance of seeking guidance, whether from mentors, spiritual teachings, or introspection. By aligning our actions with a higher purpose, we can navigate life's dilemmas with wisdom and grace. Thus, verse 27 of chapter 1 of the Bhagavad Gita is not merely a scene of despair, but the beginning of a transformative journey. A journey from confusion to clarity, from sorrow to strength, and from attachment to eternal wisdom. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe with the bell on for more updates.